Today we're going to quickly go through how to sign up as a VIP. I simply went to shop at the top and said sign up as a VIP. My first page is going to show me the 3 things that I have to do as a VIP. First, I'm going to enroll. That's going to be a one-time $19.99 registration fee. That gives me a lifetime of 15% minimum off each of my orders. The second is that I have to make an order of $84 or more. And the third is that I have to do 2 flagship orders in my first 12 months. So you can push these off a couple months at a time if you'd like, but in the first year. And then once your year is over, you're not obligated to make any other purchases as a VIP. You can simply just take advantage of whatever sales come about. So in our cart, we're going to go over to our drop down. We're going to start in shampoos. I'm going to add a Renew shampoo. I also am going to go down and add a dry shampoo, 2 items that are a must-have in my bathroom. I'm also going to add a conditioner. I like the Intense Repair conditioner because I do blonde highlights. I'm not going to take advantage of our promotion right now. As you can see, I have 3 items in my cart, which then adds this Only For You option. This month in December, we have 3 Only For You options. I'm going to go ahead and put one of those in my cart. Each month, we have a different Only For You option. So depending on what month you're ordering, your Only For You option will be different. You will not add an Only For You option into your FlexShip until you're ready to order. This gives me a total of $136 in product for $104. When I hit and continue, it's going to ask me to create a flex ship. So now this is just putting something in your basket to hold your basket open until you're ready. The first thing that I usually tell people to add to their flex ship order is Rejuvenate oil. Rejuvenate oil is something I believe everybody should have in their home. You're going to get this Rejuvenate oil for $84, so that's a discount of 15%. As your basket gets bigger, so will your discount, up to 25% off. So if I added 1 or 2 more items to this basket, I would go from 15 to 25% off, which is amazing. Once you're done creating your FlexShip basket, you'll hit continue. You'll go on to add your personal information and your shipping information, and then you'll review and submit. So this is how you create your VIP basket and get started. I hope this was a help to everybody. If you have any questions, please let me know.